We all know that gut feeling, that deep intuition that seemingly comes out of nowhere. But what if that's not a metaphor? What if it's a fact? That around 95% of the happy hormone serotonin is produced not in your head, but in your gut. This is the gut-brain axis. Think of it not just as a connection, but as a direct information highway. The vagus nerve continuously transmits signals in both directions. For a long time, we thought the brain gave the commands. The revolution in our understanding is the messages from the gut are so powerful that they fundamentally control your mood, your resilience to stress, and even your cognitive abilities. Who exactly sends these messages? The true architects of your emotional world are the trillions of microorganisms in your gut, your microbiome. These aren't passive passengers. They're a highly active, living chemical factory. They produce neuroactive substances that serve as direct precursors to neurotransmitters, thus speaking the language of your brain. And this is precisely where your superpower lies. If an imbalance in this inner world can lead to anxiety and low mood, then the converse is also true. You can take control. By consciously nurturing your microbiome, you actively create the biological foundation for mental clarity and emotional balance. But what happens when this communication is sabotaged? The weakest point is often the intestinal barrier. Normally a solid wall, it can become permeable, a condition known as leaky gut. This is the dam break. Suddenly, bacterial fragments and toxins find their way where they don't belong, into your bloodstream. The result? Silent but relentless inflammation throughout your body. This dam break is rarely accidental. It is fueled by our modern daily lives. A diet high in sugar and artificial additives is like a constant assault on the wall. Chronic stress does the rest. This silent inflammation, which begins in the gut, is now considered one of the main drivers of depression and anxiety disorders. The problem is often not just in the mind, it has a physical root. So how do we repair the pipeline? With a clear 3-point strategy. First, feed the good residents with fiber from plants. They are your microbiome's favorite food. Second, populate your gut with new helpers from probiotics, such as those found in fermented foods. And third, protect the intestinal barrier by reducing inflammation drivers. Cultivate your inner garden. Nurturing your gut-brain axis is more than just healthy eating. It's one of the most profound forms of self-care. Every conscious choice you make is a direct investment in your physical health and your mental strength, because true, stable well-being grows from within. It starts in your gut. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.